Welcome to my Photoshop tutorial. I'm going to show you a very groovy way to combine halftone and Popart style to make a nifty image that you can use as a gift or a painting if you want, or whatever you want to do with it. Anyway, first of all, just got a picture of my girlfriend here, and the first thing I want you to do is quite simple, is come down and pick a colour. I'm just going to pick the colour red, and I'm going to then come up to filter and come down to sketch, and then you're going to choose halftone pattern, and this will bring up this menu here, and you can play around with your size and your contrast to get the best effect that you want. But I've found a good setting here too, and yeah, about let's see, about 40, 46, 47. We'll go with 47 now, and just click OK there, and you'll see it's given us the halftone pattern with the dots, so that's a nice little effect there. But what we're going to do is just combine this into a pop art style and make 4 of them on the same image. So the way we're going to do that is first of all we're going to have a look at the image size. Now the image size is 500. I've made sure to resize the image beforehand to make sure that it's a nice round number, 500. And what we're going to do is we've also got the number 344 as well, so I'm just going to do 344 times 2 just because I can't count properly. So we've got 688. Now the reason we need to know this is because we're going to select new, and we're going to do a new layer, and we're going to put the width as 1000, which is our original image times 2, and the 688 for the height. Now that means that we can fit 4 of these images onto this single sheet here. So if I come back to the original image, I'm just going to come down here and select the hue and saturation adjustment setting, and it's in here that you can change the colour as to which one you want. So bit of jiggery pokery here. What we're going to do is we're going to right click and say merge visible, and this will give us the image that we want. So we can do Control A, Control C, and come onto our new document and paste it into there. And then if you hold down the Shift key, you should be able to lock that in down there into the, let's say, the bottom half of the picture. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do step backward again, and this brings us up the menu again for the hue and saturation. So click the adjustments and look for your new colour. I'm going to go now with the colour, say a nice light blue. Come back down to layers and right click and say merge visible, and then Control A, Control C, come back to the original or the new document and paste it in there. And there we go, we've got 2 there. Come back again to our original image. Just going to use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control Alt and Z, and just come back again to our hue and saturation, and this time I'm going to change the colour up and take it to the other side, and I'm just going to take a nice yellowy orange, gold. Back down to layers, right click, merge visible, Control A, Control C, copy, come over to our new layer and just paste it in there. Again, move it until it comes in the right position, and then back to our original image. Same again, a couple of steps backward, and then up to the adjustments layer, and now you can move the tab along, and that's quite a nice striking green. So I'm going to take that, right click, merge visible, Control A, Control C, come onto our image and paste it, and there we go. A nice pop art halftone style.